I just woke up and it's a beautiful day outside. The place is a little bit chill today, and I think winter is finally here, guys. It's November. What? Today is November the 10th, 11th? Yeah, today is 11th of November. And yeah, so I'm filming this vlog. I've not done vlogs in a long time, so today I'm going to be doing a day in my life, but then it's going to be a cleaning video because I love to clean. And not really, I'm trying to be better at cleaning. So the room is a little bit messy. I'm in the living room right now, so I have things to do today. So I'm gonna clean the living room, arrange it. I think the doors too as well because the glasses are a little bit dirty, and then the kitchen as well. Last night we had some fried chicken. We made fried chicken at 2 a.m. and we were so tired. I was so tired, so I just slept. As you can see, whoops. Okay, so the living room is a mess right now. As you can see, we were having fun eating and all that, and the kitchen is the worst. So I have a lot to do today, cleaning the living room, and also it's Saturday, and during the week I am always so busy with school. So today I'm gonna clean my bathroom as well. Not that dirty, but you know, I have to clean it weekly. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean my bathroom today, clean the living room, clean the kitchen. So it's basically a clean with me, which I've not done in a long time. But yeah, guys, so let's get straight into this video. There won't be too much talking in this video, just you guys watching me clean. Hopefully you get the motivation to go clean as well. So yeah, guys. am done cleaning the living room, the kitchen, and yeah, so now I'm in my washroom. I have to clean my washroom up. That's what I'm gonna do right now. As you can see, the mirror, it has a little bit of like soap and all that. Might not look dirty, but it's actually dirty, as you can see. And all. And then my shower. The glass broke last year when I was taking shower and had some injuries, but it was not that severe. Okay guys, so I am finally done cleaning. Let me know if you would like this type of videos again. I don't know if I did a good job with recording the video. Please comment down below what you think and what is your go-to cleaning product. Let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah guys, I just want to close this video. I am tired. I'm going to take bath and rest up. Yeah, so I just want to show you guys this. I love this. I just bought this recently. If you're in Turkey, you can get this at gratis. It's in the lavender scent. It's an oil, essential oil, and then you just plug this and you adjust it here. And I think it's like what it does is it heats the oil so you can like get the scent of it. It smells so good. I'm tired. It smells so good, guys. I love this. This is definitely worth the money. It's not actually expensive, but I love me some good scents. So yeah guys, just plug this here and then leave it, and the entire bathroom smells amazing. You can literally sit down here and eat. You can even sleep. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Comment down below what type of videos you love to see. You can check out my channel if you're new here. I do a lot of baking as well and hair care videos, so let me know what you would like to see. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.